how to buy the Illusion project token. So this token came under the symbol of Illusion. So before we start, it's not financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral codes down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral codes. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener and it created 20 hours ago. It's increased by 7,000% in the last 24 hours. As you can see, the liquidity here unlocked by 9%. That's good. That's meaning investment in a safe place. So this token, it's trending number 29 index screener. So to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address, it's under the Solana network. Open your funds wallet for that. Now click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet and click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. Here you will be able to see how much you will receive. After that, take the provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap here. You will, after that, you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now, if you face any issue, go back to this page, switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slippage, and after that, you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy Illusion token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.